Imagine sitting out here in the morning having your coffee and overlooking the sunrise on the Gulf of Mexico, or watching the sunset with a cool drink in the evening over the bayside. This property is $350,000. It's a great bargain. Beautiful views from this entire balcony. We're Laura and Carl Staves with the Saltwater Shores team of Keller Williams here in Port Aransas, Texas. This is a spacious living area with multiple areas for your guests to congregate. You have the large dining space right here, the little nook over in the living room, as well as the furniture right here. I love the shiplap on the walls and under the bar. It gives it such a beachy feel. And for ambiance, there's an electric fireplace. Love to have that in the winter months and in the evenings. One thing I'd like to be sure and point out is this Hawaiian shell backsplash. There's little tiny shells. It's really pretty and very unique. All stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. Down the hallway, we'll go take a look at the 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. This condo is over 1,000 square feet. It's very spacious and room for quite a few people.
Just going down the hallway here, and we'll go down to the master.
So there's another door off the primary suite that goes right out to the balcony.
Very nice.
There's a lot of updates in this condo.
Yeah, looks really nice. It's a fancy shower too.
Yeah, love that shower. The secondary bedroom has 2 twin beds set up right now. You could put in a king-size bed if you wanted. There's plenty of space. And then there's another door that goes out onto the balcony. So if you have guests in this room and they want to go outside to the balcony in the evening or the morning, they can do so right from the bedroom, and it won't bother or disturb the people in the primary suite. So this pool has recently been redone, and there's a spa right there as well. Past the pool area is a clubhouse available for the property owners. Mustang Island Beach Club has always been a favorite among my family, even way back when, before we ever moved to Port Aransas. This is one of the places my family loved to stay. It's a great property and very popular. This condo, I believe, made over $50,000 gross last year.
Here is the second bath.
And it's so nice when you have a washer and dryer. You need that at the beach.
Yep.
Did I mention this property has a boardwalk to the beach? So convenient. Welcome to the Texas Riviera, y'all. Here's one more view of this pretty living area. We also want to thank Lori Lee Garcia and her clients for allowing us to market this amazing condo. This one is not going to last long, and we would love to help you buy this property. We'd also like to invite you to check out our channel, Saltwater Shores Team. We publish property tours, fun videos about what to do in Port Aransas, and even great restaurants to try. So check us out, like and subscribe, and give us a call for any of your real estate needs. 361-500-2187. And we'll see you at the beach.